Nigga, get up off your ass, get on your grind, got mouths to feed. I'm racing to that green, driving fast. What's the damn deal, YouTube, man? It's your boy, RS Kilo, man. We back. We back with another little banger, man. You feel me? It's about that time of the month, man. Oh, damn, look at this beauty right here. I'm selling merch just like it's pig. Boy finna get an oil change, man. It's about that time. It's gonna say oil change required. Yeah, man. So it's about that time. And shit, low key today, man, I might got a little surprise for y'all, man. I ain't gonna even tell y'all how I usually tell y'all. But today, man, I might go fade this little car meet. And it's funny because I met this dude at a random ass spot. I went to go take pictures one day, bro, and I met this dude named Austin and shit, bro. And he was a photographer, and I had on the merch. Finna take some pics for the merch and shit that day and shit. Well, I was taking pics for the merch. Man, I just so happened to run into, well, meet this dude, man. That shit vibes, but supposedly I seen him post something about today. They having a little car meet, content creating, a little link up going on around like 10 a.m. It's currently like 8:22, finna be 8:30. So yeah, man, I don't know, like if I ain't got shit else to do, man, I might just pull up, pop out, show my face, you know what I'm saying? Probably see what they got outside today, man, and just, you know what I'm saying? And just chill, enjoy the vibes for real. First, I need to go get this oil change. Got a little POV for today, bro. I'm gonna be sure to upload this video, bro. I've been slacking, but I'm finna go like full speed, full 10 on this shit, bro. Fuck, though, we lit today. Yeah, nigga talking about. But nigga talking about just dropped the fake reality tees. I ain't got one on me right now to currently show y'all, but yeah, man, just dropped that shit. Website gonna be opening back up soon. Right now, I'm just preparing. Like, I'm not finna just be doing drop to drop to drop to drop. You need a password to enter. Nah, man, I'm finna just stack up on inventory. All that exclusive ass drops niggas missed out on, man. Y'all got the chance or opportunity, because I'm finna just stock up on like 5 drops that I done in the past and just stock up on inventory, open up the website to the public for free ski, you know what I'm saying? And whenever y'all need that shit, whenever y'all need to pop out and just to go put that shit on, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can just easily go to the website, order y'all shit. You know what I'm saying? If you need your shit next day, I'm pretty sure that delivery option will be available. So, hell yeah. realexoticdepartment.com. Website will be opening back up very, very soon. You feel me? But right now, I'm finna just run inside this damn store, man. You know what I'm saying? Red key. Be a Hellcat key soon, man. Watch, I'm manifesting. Let's see, bro. I wanna know if they got them cut waters, bro. I've been seeing the shit about them cut waters. Let me know, man, if y'all heard about them. They call cut water. I guess it's like a little drink. Y'all heard about them, man? Let me know where to get them, bro. Can I get the Swisher Leaf? Swisher? Yeah. I know I'm looking for them too. Yes, sir. Can I get the yellow pack? Yep.
Does you come with that?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
$5.49.
Cool. Say you like the scat, man. It's currently 8:35. I don't think Take 5 open to 9 o'clock, so I'm debating right now. Shit, do I want to go? I don't know, maybe to the car wash, maybe. Or do I want to just? I think I'm gonna just go sit and post up so I could be the first nigga there. Shit show. Don't know already, I had to make a new YouTube channel, man. It's at RX Kilo Vlogs, bro. That's gonna be my main vlogging channel. My main channel really gonna be on the music shit. Like, I feel like that channel already monetized and shit for my music and shit I've done in the past years and shit. So I'm gonna just leave that for the music shit. RX Kilo Vlog, that's what my vlog's gonna be, man. So if you haven't already, man, go tap in over there. Yeah. He didn't want to hear his shit, but like I was saying, man, my advice to the youngers, bro, if you got a dream, bro, go chase that shit, bro. I know it might not even seem like the shit is possible in the current situation you in right now, but I'm gonna tell y'all folks a little secret, bro. Whatever dream you got, go. You can call this shit the 369 method, because that's what it is. That's how I got this bitch, you feel me? 369 method, man. You write that shit 3 times. You write that shit down 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the evening, 9 times at night, bro. We currently right now getting that oil change, man. As you can see. Yes, sir, man. That shit, if y'all don't know, man, y'all better tap in on Zip It, bro. Pay this shit with Zip It, you feel me? But hell yeah, finna get the oil change right now, L filter, fucking coolant, all that shit good, so I ain't gotta get that replaced. Alright, bet. But yeah, after this shit, I might fuck around and put this bitch in manual, man. Just get a little POV for y'all. Alright, bet. Yeah. But shit, I'll pick up the camera real quick after this. Not too hard, not too difficult, you know what I'm saying? Shit really easy. Turn the GPS off because I know where I'm at now. Put that bitch back in. It's gonna get loud. Light. Any fucking day now, bro. And open this bitch up under this bridge, watch.
Shit, I don't need a rehearsal. Make the whole switch position, call that a reverse. Then she finish me off, eat the nuts like a gerbil. Bitch, I'm a threat and I don't make it verbal. Fuck up the game, I'm too raw, this shit fertile. Niggas motion.